Unlock the secret to instantly grabbing viewer attention and skyrocketing your click-through rates with a killer thumbnail. Today, we're diving into the fun and effective world of thumbnail creation, powered by our favorite tiny Titan Nano Banana. First things first, image selection. Think bold, clear, and relevant. You want your thumbnail to be an instant visual summary of your video's core message or most exciting moment. Imagine your video is about a thrilling gaming session. You'd pick an image that showcases the action, maybe a character in mid-leap with vibrant special effects. For a tutorial, clarity is key. Choose an image where the subject is easily identifiable, perhaps a close-up of the tool or material being used. Now, let's add some pizzazz with text overlay. Keep it concise and impactful. Your text should complement the image, not compete with it. Think of it as a headline for your visual story. For our gaming example, something like epic win or game changer in a bold, readable font will immediately draw the eye. For the tutorial, easy DIY steps or transform your space in a clear font makes the video's benefit immediately apparent. Beyond text, consider design elements. A simple, consistent border can help your thumbnail pop. A subtle color gradient in the background can add depth without distracting. Little touches, like a thin outline around our gaming thumbnail or a tiny, relevant icon like this controller, can further reinforce the video's theme. Similarly, a clean border around the tutorial thumbnail and perhaps a subtle gear icon can enhance its professional appeal. By combining compelling imagery, punchy text, and thoughtful design elements, Nano Banana empowers you to create thumbnails that don't just represent your content, they demand attention. Start crafting your click-worthy thumbnails today and watch your viewership soar.